Hi there, and welcome to EDDL 5131, Designing Multimedia for Curriculum within the Graduate Certificate in Online Teaching and Learning here at Thompson Rivers University. My name is Keith Webster, and I'll be the faculty member for this course. I've been with Thompson Rivers for over a decade, and since this program started. I live in Victoria, and my day job is at Royal Roads University, where I'm the Associate Director for Learning Technologies. I've previously been an instructional designer here at Royal Roads and an associate faculty member teaching in instructional design. Before that, I was at the University of Victoria, where I worked for over a decade as an instructional designer and as an educational technologist. I also taught educational technology as a sessional instructor in the Faculty of Education. I've taught for many, many years in the Canadian Forces, and I had a short stint as a high school teacher as well. I live here in Victoria with my two kids who are both in post-secondary. In my spare time, I like to do hiking, camping in the summer, and skiing in the winter. This course is a really interesting and beneficial addition to what you've been learning either within the certificate program or in the Master of Education program. It's all about pedagogically effective media. How do you integrate media into your teaching in a way that helps students to learn? So we're focusing on educator produced media, not perfect, but good enough, just in time media that you can create to solve the current educational challenge you're facing. It's easy to move on from that to refine and make more effective media that you're going to keep for years on end, or that you're going to produce in partnership with others, or that you're going to provide input into the professional production of. But we're starting with instructor produced media. It's important that you are able to produce media that you need, so we will focus on finding, altering, remixing, revising, and creating media. That means we're going to use a lot of tools that are free. We're going to look at sources of media that you can use without infringing copyright and that you can alter and make them work for you. We're also going to focus on student produced media because that is a solid way of having learners demonstrate what they've learned. We're going to have a series of activities and assignments in this course that focus on taking the theory of educational media and applying that theory to the integration of media that you have found, altered, or created as part of an online lesson. You'll be coming out of this course with a portfolio in which you've made or mashed up many pieces of media and then integrated these pieces of media in a learning context so that they are useful towards achieving specific learning outcomes. In this course, you're going to have a few platforms to work with. We have a Moodle site like all courses have at Thompson Rivers University. Typically, that site will be used to submit assignments. And by submit, I mean making a note in an assignment Dropbox to say, my assignment is ready and it can be found here. Because most of your assignments are actually going to be in your portfolio online. Course content is on a partially open site, the EDDL site, which is based in a Commons in a Box open lab, an extension of WordPress. In this site, the course content and the assignment instructions are open to anyone. So if you find something interesting you want to share, just share the link out and your colleagues can go and take a peek. But you will have discussion areas that are for course members only and links from there to your own portfolios that are also course members only. You can personally make your portfolio open to the world or limited to just people within the course. I think that this is going to be a very interesting offering of 5131. There's been a lot of new scholarship that's been published in the last couple of years, and we updated quite a bit last year and this year as well. There are new readings, new work that's being done, and so you'll have some very fresh material to work from. I'm looking forward to this course. I find I always learn things from the people who are participating in it, and I'm sure that you are going to learn quite a bit as well. Thanks a lot.